Hello, and welcome to ObservePoint. Today I'm going to talk about some filters that you can apply to your audit reporting for a more tailored experience. With that being said, let's go ahead and click into an audit that has completed its run, and let's go to the page summary. Please take note that these filters apply to several reports in your audit reporting. You can now filter by page load time, page status code, initial status code, final status code, and by broken or successful pages. You can also filter by page title by entering in the page title in the search bar. You can search by page size by entering a minimum and maximum threshold in megabytes. You can also filter by number of redirects by doing the same thing by entering a minimum and maximum number of redirects. You can also filter pages with broken links, and you can continue to filter by tag and rule information. With that being said, you can now also filter by initial and final URL. So you can enter in the URL that you're looking for and hit enter, and it will load up these two filters, which has contains and does not contain logic that you can toggle on and off. We also now support regex or regular expression statements that can be entered in the URL search bar here. Let's go ahead and say that you have a page that you're wanting to look for, but if you have a big audit, it may take some time to look for that page. You simply can enter in the query parameter, which is a basic regular expression, into the search bar. So I want to look at the free trial page. Go ahead and hit enter, and it will load up that page for you now. And you can see its corresponding details. We are always looking to improve our filtering and our overall experience in ObservePoint. If you have feedback, go ahead and click on the support and feedback portal, and it will take you to this area where you can submit an idea to our product team. We're always open to hearing new ideas, and we would appreciate your feedback always. That's all that I have for today, but I hope this helps you with your future audit reporting and filtering needs. Have a great day.